Welcome to this class. I assume you don't know me. You don't know anything about me. You've never met me. You don't know my name. So I need to introduce myself because I have to teach you like you are a new student. Hold on. So like I was saying, I have to teach you like you are a new student. You don't know me. You don't know much about it. In fact, you never use AI in your life. This is the first time you want to use AI. Now, my name is Ibrahim Habib. I'm the founder of Habib Digital Institute. But let's leave that and go straight to practical. So now, if you are new to AI, you have customers on ground. You don't even know they've been pestering your life, pestering you, want to take order. So you don't know even who your customers are. You don't know how to do research about them. You don't know understand their problem. This is how you can do research about them. So now the first thing you need to do is that you need to come to Play Store. So once you are in your Play Store, we have some people here that their phone might not work with ChatGPT. Yes. So you have to use the normal store, which is you go to Chrome, search for ChatGPT, then it will bring it up for you. So now when you are in your Play Store, come to the search bar. Come to the search bar. You know what you now type? Just type ChatGPT. That's all. And click on search. It will bring out ChatGPT for you. So this is the ChatGPT you will download. I've already downloaded it. Don't download this one. This is not ChatGPT. These are just people that copied ChatGPT. So this is the real ChatGPT you will see. Their logo is white and black. It's only ChatGPT we are using for now. So once you download your ChatGPT, just click on open. Now, if you are new to ChatGPT, you've never used ChatGPT before, you will see so many things about ChatGPT. You see here, as you can see, I want to show you the interface of ChatGPT. Here is where you will see all the images you've created before. This is where you will see the library, everything you've uploaded inside your ChatGPT. These projects are maybe you are trying to, let's say you want to be hosting class, but you don't want to be doing it every time. You want to be creating a new chat, so you can just create a chat here, a project here. Click on it. You give it an instruction for you to follow. So that instruction is what you to follow. So that instruction is what you now take up from there with. So once you've given, let me show you. These are projects I've worked on. So let's say you want to create a new project. You won't see all this one for you. You see this button here. You click on it. So once you click on it, it will take you here. What's the name of your project? You can just give it any name. Once you give it any name, let me give it just HUG. But before you now type create project, you see these settings here, click on it. So this way you will now be using the project, the memory you want to be using. So now you can see this project can access memory from outside chat or vice versa. Project only memory, which means you will be using memory inside its own memory. So if you use default memory, you click on check, then you click on create project. That's network. That's network problem. Let me switch back the Wi-Fi. That's network problem. I'm sorry. So now let me go back to the project. Click on that button, just give it HGY, then you can come to the settings, click on create project. It has created the project for you. So here you can now start sending message. Maybe you want to be using one for live. You can just say something like live only. You just send it to it. You know that chat is only for live. Everything it will be doing for you is will only be for live. So you understand, that's the only thing it will be doing for you there. As you can see, it will even bring it out for you for life. So if you want to create another thing, you can just send it here. So now let me just show you a sample of the kind of project I've created before. You can see these are projects I've done. These are samples of what I've done before. So here is product ideas for Nature Report. This is if I want to create relationship ebooks. These are the ideas I have here. This is for business. If I want to create a new book on business, if I want to create reports on or book on farm, you can see farm report ideas. As you can see, it have a lot of ideas too. So that's for projects. If you want to create a project, but it's not projects you want to do. I want to teach you about you are a business owner, but you want to use AI as an assistant. So if you create a project, you can name that project your company name or your business name. You just know that when you come to ChatGPT, is that project you go to directly. So from that project, you now start talking with ChatGPT, now explaining your problem. But now, like I said, you are new to ChatGPT. You've never used ChatGPT before. As you can see, it's telling you can create an image, you can write all edits, you can search the website. But for you, what you first thing you need to do is, let's say you are a small business owner, you are selling shoes. Yes, you are selling shoes. So now you now need ideas. You need ideas for shoes. You now see this button here. Instead of if you don't know the kind of prompt you want to write, you see this button here. You can select it. Here is if you want to use your voice, and here is you want another thing. Maybe what you want to do with ChatGPT is not here. So once you click on that plus button, you see everything it can do for you. You can use your camera, you can use your photo, you can use your file, you can use plugin, you can use ThinkAdder. As you can see, there's a lot of things you can use with ChatGPT. But let's say you are selling shoes. You are selling shoes. Now, the first thing is you want to get ideas. You see that button, just click on it. Send it to ChatGPT. So that thing you send to it, you can see the name of my business is, you can see the name of my business is, I want to create, give me 100 new ideas for my shoes. I'm new to this business. As you can see, it is giving me ideas I can be using as content for my business. As you can see, it is giving me ideas. As you can see, it even went further. I've not tried all 100 as well at once. I will start with this 10. You see, choose one clear target customer, which is the next one we are going for. Start with a small budget. Professional product, we are still coming to that one. Build WhatsApp as your sales channel. We are still coming to that one. You have to post every day, collect customer. You can see it's even telling you something you should be doing every day. So it means if you are new to ChatGPT, you don't know what to do, and you don't know the kind of prompt to use. You see this button here, that button that look like microphone, this button, that button, just click on it. Tell it what you want it to do. And at the end of it, you can have something like, you are a professional with over 50 years of experience. You are a professional with over 35 years of experience. Just tell it. It will bring it out for you. That's your business idea. We take the first one. Now, if you want to do research, for your shoe business. You want to know what your competitors are using that you are not using yet. You want to know what they are doing that you are not doing yet. You know what you will do? That microphone button, click on it again. Send it. You know what it will do for you? You can see it has already started searching the web. It's even telling me that I should turn on my location to get precise location. You can see immediately I turn on my location, it will change everything. Oh, it's asking me to turn on my location. Let me turn it on here. Let me see if it will pick. Okay, I've already turned on my location. So it's trying to get my location now. So it will now give me example of all the shoe vendors in my area, what they are doing, what I'm not doing yet. It will give me everything live and direct. That example, that's what it is doing. I think it is done. As you can see, it is done. You can see it is giving me ideas of what I can use regarding my shoe selling business. So I don't know what you are selling. Maybe you are selling shoes, you are selling bags. As you can see, maybe you are selling bags, you are selling shoes. So you understand? You can do the same thing. This is the prompt I use. Now tell you that you can see you're a market strategy. I want to do for my shoe business. What are the things you can see? You can do the same thing for your business. So the opportunity for Habib Shoes is probably not simply to sell shoes cheaper, it is to make buying shoes from you easier. He's telling me what I should do, and he's giving me examples of shoes that are nearby me. As you can see, it is giving me the map. You can see what the Nigerian footwear market is telling us. You can see it's giving me ideas of what is going on in Nigeria presently. Now, what Habib Shoes should do, you can see it's asking me that I have to create trust. I need to show my face, my location, my products, my packaging, the same thing with your business. As you can see, this is the first thing you have to do with your ChatGPT. As you can see, let me see what it brings here. Now, local competition is much bigger than you may think. I searched, because I'm in Osogbo presently, so I searched around Osogbo and found numerous footwear businesses in Osogbo. So if you are in your location too, it will do the same thing for you. As you can see, it will search it for you. You can see it's entering an existing ecosystem. That's actually good news. It means there's already demand. You see, my job is not to create demand for shoe. My job is to create a reason for people to choose your business. That is, you use the prompt I showed you earlier. As you can see, it is still searching. This is searching what I can do for my business, as you can see. But I have to stop it because of our time. I don't want this video to be too long. So here it is telling me that I don't want this video to be too long. Here it is telling me that my potential customers, as you ask them these 30 questions, as you can see. So these are the questions that will reveal what exactly they want from me, and how I can help them solve their problem. You see, where do you normally buy shoes? They will tell you what type of shoe do you buy more. So all these type of questions are questions that will help make you to know what your customer really wants. It will reveal your customer problems. So my preliminary SWOT means strength, wealth, opportunities, and trust. You see, it will reveal everything for you. You can see strength, opportunity, threat, and weakness. You can see it can reveal everything for you. It's because I've stopped the information. That's why it stopped there. Now, that's how to get your customer. That's how to research your business. You now sit yourself down. You know what you are doing today is you need to sit yourself down. Yes, Coach Habib have given me a new task. So you are not using AI to be using, because if I say I should start teaching you how to generate image and video, I can teach you, but I don't want to teach you that. You have a business. If you don't have a business, let's say you don't have a business yet. Look at what are the things people ask for you mostly. What are the things you love doing mostly? You can do the exact research, the same thing for it too, and it will bring it for you. So now, if you want to create a business plan, it's still the same process. If you want to create a business plan, just type. You see that microphone? Tell it that I want to create a business plan, business strategy for my business. Name the name of your business. Let me generate. You can give me another idea that he has over 30 years of experience. Generate it for me. Believe me, it will send it out for you. So this thing, the first thing we are doing here is you need to use AI to work on your business. Because your business, you yourself ask yourself, do you like how your business is? Do you like how you don't have customers? Do you like how people are buying from other people but they are not buying from you? Do you like it? Do you like how you are that you don't have money? Do you like how you are? Do you like how you are? You know that this ChatGPT of a tool, you have it on your phone. Claude AI, you have it on your phone, but it's not generating money for you. Do you like how it is for you? Definitely you don't like it. So this is the first step you need to do. Let AI analyze your business. Always use AI as your assistant. If I should show you the kind of things I've done with AI, you will be shocked. Let me just try and show you. You can see. These are things. I even have Facebook as swipe. This love not so that's my leave that one. If I say I should show you, I have more than 300 things I've done with AI. I don't want to show you my engine room. This is my engine room. My life class, everything. This is the engine room. Habib Digital Institute. This is where all the trainings I've had, all the books I'm reading. This is where it is. This year, this agent program is only maybe I want to generate new ideas, and I don't want to waste my time. That's what I do with there. So if I show you Habib Digital Institute, you see HDI advisor there. Let me go open it for you to see. You can see HDI daily advisor. This all the sales guru class. You can see. This only under Habib Digital. You can see the copywriting formula. These are only under projects. That's to tell you that I already have a plan. I'm not putting everything inside one chart. I have different charts for each one. You too, you have to do the same for your business. Don't let one single chart be the one handling your sales, be the one handling your marketing, be the one handling your customer research. No, you are overloading your AI. It will, as time goes on, it will get fatigued. So you understand? So the first thing you need to use AI as your assistant. And how do you use AI as your assistant is what I show you today. It can generate ideas for you. It can help you research your business and your customers and your competitors. It can understand customer problem. Now, another thing I want to show you now before we go is because you see this microphone button here. Let us click it again. It will transcribe everything to English for you. And the reason why I love ChatGPT for this kind of scenario is because I don't know the way you say your English. Even though your English is not clear, it will pick everything instantly and do it and say it exactly the way you say it. That's what ChatGPT has for you. But you see, Claude AI is not the same thing. You see, so it will start giving me ideas. The opportunity as if for Abib shoes, I'm not launched Abib shoes with an offer that please say buy your shoe. No, it will say. He said that's a commodity offer. He said the core offer will be, instead of making the customer browse through dozens of shoes, the customer is not merely buying a shoe. They are buying the right shoe at the right price for the right occasion without the usual buying stress. It is giving me another point I should look at when I'm trying to start shoes. If let's say I want to now start selling shoes now, I will not be looking at, okay, I have 20,000 now, let me go and buy a shop and start selling shoes. No, it is giving me something I should look at, which means the right shoe at the right price for the right occasion without the usual buying stress, which means my customer are having stress buying shoes before. So I need to look at this. You can see, find the right shoe for your style. You can see what you get. You can see these are the things I need to look at. So the first assignment I need to do for you is go and do the same thing for your business too. God bless you. I'll see you another time. See you in the second class.